Welcome to InfoCaretaker. In today's video, we'll break down 15 careers that are likely to remain safe even in a fully automated world. We'll include real global employment figures, explain why these roles are resilient to automation, and help you understand where long-term opportunity still exists. Let's get started. Up first is psychologists and therapists with 2.1 million global employees. Mental health is one of the most sensitive and complex areas of human care, and it's something AI just can't replicate. While chatbots can simulate empathy, they lack true emotional intelligence, ethical nuance, and cultural sensitivity that real therapists provide. Human connection, especially during moments of vulnerability, is irreplaceable. Even with AI tools that assist with diagnostics, the therapist's role as a trusted guide through trauma, addiction, anxiety, or grief is deeply personal and far beyond the current foreseeable reach of machines. Up next is skilled traders, including electricians, plumbers, and carpenters with over 150 million global employees. These hands-on professions involve unstructured environments and unpredictable real-world variables, something that AI struggles with. Fixing a broken pipe in a 50-year-old building, diagnosing a wiring fault in a custom home, or building a deck requires dexterity, judgment, and adaptability. AI-powered robots are impressive in labs and factories, but they're still years, maybe even decades, away from replacing a human, crawling under houses with a flashlight and a wrench. These skilled trades are high-paying, essential, and AI resilient. Next, we have nurses and caregivers with over 28 million global employees. AI might help diagnose symptoms, but it can't hold a patient's hand, adjust to emotional needs, or comfort a scared child. Nursing is as much about compassion and communication as it is about medicine. Caregiving for the elderly, disabled, or terminally ill involves unpredictable human behavior, physical assistance, and cultural sensitivity that robots just can't replace. Even in high-tech hospitals, nurses remain irreplaceable. AI might assist, but it won't replace the healing power of human care. Next, we have creative professionals, including writers, artists, and musicians, with 30 to 40 million global employees. Sure, AI can generate art and write music, but here's the catch: AI is trained on existing work. It can remix, mimic, and mass-produce, but true originality, emotionally driven storytelling, and cultural relevance still come from human experience. Whether it's a novel that moves you to tears, a painting that stirs the soul, or a song that defines a generation, creativity remains human at its core. Up next, we have emergency responders, including firefighters, paramedics, and police officers, with over 25 million global employees. When disaster strikes, whether it's a fire, a car accident, or a violent crime, emergency responders are the first on the scene. These roles demand split-second decisions, physical strength, and emotional control in unpredictable, high-stakes environments. AI can support with dispatching and data analytics, but it can't run into a burning building, perform CPR in the middle of a chaotic street, or de-escalate a violent situation using empathy and experience. Firefighters, EMTs, and police officers are irreplaceable in moments where judgment, courage, and compassion matter most. Next, we have event planners with over 5 million global employees. Event planners are master multitaskers, coordinating logistics, negotiating with vendors, managing clients, and adapting to countless last-minute surprises. AI might help with scheduling or budgeting, but it can't walk a venue, read the energy of a crowd, or solve an unexpected crisis with charm and poise. From weddings to corporate events, this job requires human creativity and intuition, both things AI can't replicate. Up next is human resource managers with over 12 million global employees. HR isn't just about hiring and firing, it's about managing interpersonal dynamics, employee morale, conflict resolution, and fostering a company culture. AI can scan resumes or predict turnover, but it can't lead a tough conversation or inspire a team through empathy and understanding. Workplace dynamics are messy and human, which means HR will always need humans at the helm. Next, we have fashion designers with over 3 million global employees. Sure, AI can generate outfit concepts, but fashion is more than patterns, it's art, culture, rebellion, and storytelling. Real designers read trends, feel fabrics, and create emotionally resonant collections that AI simply can't replicate. Fashion is an expression of identity, which is purely human. Up next, we have diplomats and international negotiators with over 800,000 global employees. Diplomats operate in a space where empathy, cultural understanding, and political finesse are absolutely critical. Whether brokering peace, negotiating trade deals, or managing geopolitical tensions, the stakes are incredibly high. AI may assist in analyzing data or translating languages, but it can't read a room in Geneva, build trust over time, or navigate the unspoken nuances between nations. Human diplomacy is built on relationships, history, and instinct. In the world of international relations, that human element is irreplaceable. Next, we have wildlife conservationists with 2 million global employees. Protecting the planet's biodiversity isn't something that can be done from behind a desk. Wildlife conservationists trek through jungles, study endangered species, and build relationships with local communities. AI might track animal movement via drones, but it can't gain the trust of a tribe, brave unpredictable terrain, or emotionally commit to saving a species. This is passion-driven work, and it belongs to the humans who love the wild. Up next, we have chefs and culinary artists with over 22 million global employees. AI can suggest recipes, but creating memorable food is about taste, tradition, and soul. Chefs experiment, adapt, and connect deeply with culture and emotion through food. From street food in Bangkok to Michelin-starred kitchens in Paris, the magic of cooking lies in human creativity and passion, something no robot can serve. Next, we have professional athletes with over 3 million global employees. AI can simulate a game, but it can't score a winning goal in a packed stadium. Athletes inspire raw talent, human endurance, and emotional grit. Sports are about competition, unpredictability, and connecting with fans, something a machine will never embody. Whether it's football, tennis, or MMA, physical mastery and audience connection are human-driven. And let's be real, no one's lining up to watch AI versus AI in the finals. Next up is clergy and spiritual leaders with 3.5 million global employees. Spiritual leadership is grounded in human connection, empathy, and guidance. Whether it's delivering a sermon, counseling someone through grief, or leading a community, this role is deeply emotional and personal. AI can quote scripture or philosophical texts, but it can't connect spiritually, understand personal suffering, or guide faith journeys with authenticity. In a world full of questions, humans seek meaning from other humans. Next, we have forensic investigators and crime scene analysts with 1 million global employees. AI can scan fingerprints and review footage, but forensic work demands intuition, field judgment, and ability to analyze chaotic, real-world environments. No two crime scenes are the same. From evaluating blood spatter patterns to interpreting motives, this is where science meets psychology. It's high stakes, detail-orientated, and depends on human interpretation of unpredictable evidence. The last entry on the list is film directors and storytellers with 2.5 million global employees. AI can generate script and images, but storytelling is about vision, emotion, and cultural resonance. Great directors don't just create, they move people, shape conversations, and capture moments in ways machines can't. From Spielberg to Cameron, it's their perspective and emotional intelligence that make their work timeless. AI might help with visual effects, but true storytelling is human to its core. If you're in one of these roles or aspiring to be, you're part of a future where human creativity, empathy, and adaptability still reign supreme. Which job surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to InfoCaretaker. See you in the next video.